Chiang Mai is a river port city on the Peng River, about 700 kilometres from Bangkok and about 310 metres above sea level. Due to its strategic location along the river and close to major trading routes, Chiang Mai has historically been an important city. Chiang Mai is known as the capital of North Thailand, with a population of 1.2 million as of 2022, and that's not counting expats, migrant workers and other non-permanent residents. Chiang Mai is the largest city in northern Thailand and the fourth largest city in the whole of the country. Spanning back over 700 years, Chiang Mai is a 13th century ancient city of the Lanna Kingdom. Chiang Mai means new city in the Thai language, and Chiang Mai's old city is defined by the remnants of ancient walls and moats constructed during the late 13th century, originally built for protection against invasions. Within the old city walls are 40 ancient temples. There are 4 main gates which still stand, the Tai Pai Gate being the most famous, through which traders and ambassadors would pass. Though the original city walls date to the 13th century, they were extensively rebuilt in the early 19th century. The moat has since been renovated numerous times and so no longer exists in its original shape. And while the moat isn't exactly square, it comes close, with each side measuring between 1.62 and 1.67 kilometres. In contrast to the bricks used now, the moat was originally constructed with soil scooped to form the canal that encircled it. Chiang Mai has more Buddhist temples than any other Thai city. In the city's Muang district, you'll find 117 Buddhist temples, or wats in Thai, and 300 wats throughout the region. The oldest temple in Chiang Mai is the Wat Chiang Man, which King Mengray constructed in 1296. Chiang Mai is famous for its night markets, especially the weekend walking street on Sunday evenings, when the streets come alive with vendors selling everything from handcrafted goods to savoury local dishes and sweets. There are also the popular night bazaar markets alongside Anisan Market and Kalaya Night Market, Paklon Market, Marlin Plaza Night Market, Saturday Night Market, Sunday Walking Street, which was huge, and Warrarot Market. The list does indeed go on. When in Chiang Mai, we made sure that we tried Chiang Mai's signature dish, khao soi, and we tried it several times. This northern Thai delicacy is a creamy coconut curry noodle soup, traditionally served with chicken or beef, garnished with shallots, lime, pickled mustard greens, and topped with deep-fried noodles. Pork dishes are also very good here. The Cowboy Hat Lady at Northgate Market specialises in khao kar moo, which is braised pork leg served over rice. Very delicious. There are over 50 elephant sanctuaries in Chiang Mai and northern Thai region. Importantly, Chiang Mai province is known for its ethical elephant sanctuaries, which offer an alternative to the traditional elephant camps. Visitors have the opportunity to observe and interact with these majestic creatures in a respectful and natural environment. Initiatives like Chang Chil and the Elephant Nature Park are dedicated to the rescue and rehabilitation of mistreated elephants throughout Thailand, providing a safe haven where these animals can thrive. In the second lunar month of the Lana calendar, usually November, Chiang Mai becomes extra magical during the Peng Lantern Festival. This festival coincides with the Loy Krathong, where people release small floats with candles onto rivers, representing the letting go of grudges and misfortunes. These twin festivals fill the city with light and are a symbol of hope and renewal.